Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can find your forgotten Wi-Fi password, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So in some cases that you want to let other individuals to connect into your Wi-Fi network, and then at some case you forgot your Wi-Fi password. So it could be very annoying, it could be very disgusting for your part because you have forgot your password, your Wi-Fi password, and your own Wi-Fi password. But do not worry, there is a solution for that. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can find your forgotten Wi-Fi password. So in the Windows search bar, type here Control Panel, Best Match, click on that. Now here in the control panel window, if this is viewed by large icons, also in small icons, just simply change this into category. Now once this is already viewed by category, you have to click on this network and internet that is under the system and security. Then here you have to click on network and sharing center. Then you will find your Wi-Fi. So click on this Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi name. Then in the Wi-Fi status, you have here details and wireless properties. Now you have to click on this wireless properties. Then another window will appear, which is the Wi-Fi wireless network properties, which has two tabs, the connection tab and the security tab. Now you have to click on the security tab. Then here you have security type, encryption type, and the network security key. So this is your Wi-Fi password, the one shown in dots. So if you want to view your Wi-Fi password, then just simply click on the show characters. Now I don't want to click this because I don't want to show my Wi-Fi password, but this is how you can view your forgotten Wi-Fi password. Once you click on show characters, then the password right here will be visible into you. So once that is done, just simply click on OK. Close this windows and then close this window, and then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.